Everybody on board, welcome to our first ever webinar. Very exciting for the people over here.
So I want to start off with some motivation to set the stage for the AI aspects of this talk. There was a famous 16th century philosopher who is known for saying that knowledge is power. Today, we can take large amounts of data and interpret the data and learn from the data to obtain knowledge and achieve some specific goals. And then the question is that how can we extract information? And I would say that over the last 15 years or so, there's been just outstanding algorithms developed. You're selling, let's say, a gaming computer, but the person doesn't use it as a gaming computer, then it seems like your marketing would be wrong. And then we may be thinking about the prognostics, where we can predict how much time to failure is going to occur. How do we forecast maintenance if we want maintenance? When should we shut the system down? When may potentially there be a catastrophic problem?
Now we would like to continue to the Q&A session with the full panel. Are there companies, let's say, in the world who are leading in use of AI techniques for reliability and root cause analysis?
Some of the companies that I mentioned are companies that I know of that are quite leading. In the transportation area, in the automotive area, GM has a very big team. Toyota has a very big team in this area. They've been doing this for at least 15 years, maybe more.
At least to my belief, one of the big questions always in reliability is how my product is going to be used in the field. Is it going to be used at certain altitudes, or in the Sahara? Is it going to be used by a heavy user or more light user? What are the conditions and the use cases that product is going to be used in? That is one of the major questions that everybody who's working in reliability and root cause analysis and therefore data science finds challenging.
We need to be a little bit cautious. We're not saying that any of these methods is the complete solution.
I fully agree that it's very important if you want to calculate reliability or predict the lifetime of individual systems. And it's really important to monitor what you're doing with the system and where you are using the system. So that's crucial. I don't know whether you directly need AI for that. I think that the primary challenge is to collect all the data. So you have to have the proper sensors on board that monitor the right things. And once you've achieved that, then you could try to use all kinds of AI techniques to maybe discover what you did from those sensors.
And I don't think in my life I've ever found where it says it's 100%. So we realize that we're not giving the final, definitive answer for any of this, right? And any approach that we use today as reliability engineers, there's some judgment.
The main point is that you don't want to always try to predict the exact moment of failure, but if you at least could get a warning just before it happens, then that allows you already to prevent that failure. And then you still don't know it far before, but at least you can prevent the failure to happen. So that would then be the benefit of looking at the data.
And all these things you can also use. That's where you can do the data science method as well. Huh? So I think there are ample of opportunities. You have the possibilities because of what Jeroen said. The material is available, but you need someone who likes to do it and who can implement it in the company.